I am excited. I ordered some materials, fabric from one of my favorite content creators, and now I'm going to open it up to see what I have. Um, I plan on making tassel earrings with what I purchased and maybe some other items, bracelets, whatever it may be. I'm just so thrilled. Been waiting for a while, and I'm just excited. So, oh, and now I'm going to be able to use my sewing machine I bought from the now discontinued Joann Fabrics. I'm just really excited to be able to do what I want to do now. And oh my gosh. Ooh, that's beautiful. Ooh. I'm excited. Yes. Ooh. Yes. Yes. Oh. Oh. Oh my. I can make more than just earrings, more than just tassels, more than just bracelets. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's just going to be more than whatever. I cannot believe what I'm getting. Certain things, my business is fairly new. A fairly new business. Oh, my coupon book. It's beautiful. Yes. It's gorgeous. I love it. By the way, that content creator, fashion designer, is Terrence Williams Designs. And I actually love this. This I will be carrying all the time because you know what? I am a coupon queen. Yep. Thanks, Terrence. Oh. Oh. Hello. Do you all want to know how excited I am? Really? How excited I am? Oh. There's more in here than I expected that meets the eye. Oh, these will make good tassel earrings. Yes. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh. Oh. So pretty. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous. This would make good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Thank you. I'm excited. Yes. All right. So now for me, it's time to get to work. Mwah.